Right, hi guys, this is Moose Gaming here, and today we're doing a Unity tutorial. I'm starting a new series called RollDatBall, and it's like my baller roll game, which is on our website, and I'll put the link in the description. All the assets and whatnot we use will be on our website, apart from ones we download from the asset store, which will be, you'll have to just get them off the asset store, because they're not mine, so I can't do anything with them. So you want to call it, actually I'll call it RollDatBall top. And then you just want to call that, name it, put the location in, so where you want to save it. 3D, we don't need any of them, I don't think. Let's hope we don't. And then just create project. 8 gaming may be in and out of the room at some point. So he's setting up his new setup thingy. He's got new keyboard and whatnot. So I will cut to when it starts because it always takes ages. Right, so that's me back. Now we're going to do skyboxes because that's quite a crucial part of most games. So you just want to go into Window, Asset Store, and you want to search classic skybox, and it's this one, classic skyboxes, or skybox. So you want to hit download, and it will download quite quickly. Right, so whilst that's downloading, I'm going to quickly put it, I'm going to put the thing here, down there, and I'm going to go back to project. Right, so I'm going to add, oh, it's already decompressing. Nice. Dun, 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 dun. I seem to do that in every video. That's annoying. Right, so it's decompressing. Oh, no, didn't mean to open that. This may take a while, so I may be back when it finishes, or if it finishes quite quickly, I will. Actually, no, I'll tell you what we're going to do now. So we're going to add our skyboxes. So we've got the skybox, and then we're going to create a platform and our ball for our character, because it's going to be our character's going to be a wee ball. So if this loads, right, here we go. I just want to hit import, and it will do even more loading. How fun is that? I won't even want to go back to project. Great, Unity. What? Yay. Just yay. Yeah. I am probably going to get a Raspberry Pi quite soon, and I'll make a video on how to set up Raspberry Pis, and I might do some videos with the Raspberry Pi and some of the projects you can do with it, which will be hopefully quite cool. But load. Oh, it didn't blue screen me. That's happened before. Just went, it's died. It's horrible. Stop laughing at me. I have been blue screened by Unity. It's horrible. Oh, I made a joke about blue screening someone the other day, and they found it quite funny. And then they got blue screened, which was also quite funny. No, no, you shouldn't. How long does this take? Right, I'll be back when this finishes because it will take ages. Right, that is me back. So I have got my thing. So I want to just, actually no, I'm going to use Skybox 13. Just find a Skybox you like. 7. You just have to drag it in. Oh yeah. Camera. Get rid of that. You don't want to let go of it because then it bugs out. I can't remember where the skyboxes are actually saved in Unity 5. So I'm going to go with 11. 11, 12, okay. So that's that. Now we want to add game object, 3D object, we want a cube. I'm just going to go over to this cube. And I'm going to shrink it so it's 0.5 on the Y and it's 2 on the X. Zero it. Oh, it should be 1 there, 2 there. No. 5 there. No. 2, 4. I'm just trying to find a decent size. 4, 3. 3 seems alright. Actually, we'll just look about this. So we get thinner. About that length. That is going to be. It's going to be a platform. So I'm going to right click down in this assets thing. I want to create a material. I'm just going to call it platform. Wait for it to load. It chooses to load. So, not 100% sure how this works now. Yeah, right. That's what I want to change. I want to go to here, and I'm going to make it a kind of. I'm going to make it a yellowy orangey color. Or no, green. Let's stick with green now. So that is my platform. So I'm going to rename the platform by either renaming it here or hitting F2 on the keyboard. I'm just going to call it platform. I'm just going to drag that down here. And it'll create a prefab of it, so I can just drag lots and lots out. And so in this game, whenever you put a platform out, you always have to make sure that Z rotation is at 0, because that will keep it all in a line. That means the ball can get to it all. But that's the other one's X and Y. Or no, I think it's the X rotation that needs to be on 0. But now I can just drag that out and be like, and 0 it like that, and then these two can move it out. It's just so it all stays in line. So that's that. I'm going to leave that like that now, and then I'm going to create a folder down here. So I'm going to just create a folder called create. And just going to 1 second. Both of these into this folder. So that means I can keep this kind of folder a bit cleaner. And then I'm going to create another object, 2D object, and this time I'm going to create a sphere. And I'm just going to keep it. It all has to be equal if you change the size of it, or it won't roll properly. And so I'm just going to set this to 0. I'm going to set them all to 0 for now, and then I'm going to move it up a bit. Actually, I think I'm going to set 0.5. 0.5. 0.5. So 0.75. 0.75 and 0.75. That looks not right size. So that's all in, and then what do you think we're going to do? We're going to create a material. Double stack, I can't see material anymore. Oh, there it is. And we're just going to call this ball. And then we're just going to change this, and I'm going to make it a deep reddy color. And then I can drag that onto my ball. Actually, no, I'm not going to make it red because something else is going to be red in the nearish future. Put it like that color. So I'm going to stick to that. And then I'm going to create a prefab of this sphere. Once again, if it loads. Right, that's done. And quickly, I am going to create an empty and just call this. Just call this platform. And I'm just going to 0. It just means so my hierarchy once again is quite clean. So if I drag these in and make them child, just as long as I don't 0 out the rotations, it'll be fine. And it just means that if I want to add everything to all of the platforms, it will just go on, just drag it in here, and it should be fine. No, that's wrong actually, but still. So that is going to be today's tutorial finished. Next time we'll probably add something so that the camera focuses on the ball, and then we might get onto ball movement, we might not. We also might add in my our Cameron's day-night cycle, so it looks a bit cooler. So the lighting changes depending on what time of day it is. The only thing is skyboxes won't change, so we probably have to pick a suitable skybox, or we just have to leave the sky for it. So I'll decide. So you can either leave the skybox as it is, or I'll show you how to do it if you want to add in the day-night cycle. So right, that will be this finished. Thanks and goodbye.